So what we have here is a Jeep Wrangler 2006 model. This common problem actually affects Jeep Wranglers dating all the way back from 1997 and up until 2006. One of the biggest problems with this cluster is that you'll get all 8's, which is basically data crash on this particular instrument cluster. There's basically no way to retrieve the mileage once you have all 8's displaying, and this would actually fall under a mileage correction service. So if you have this problem, visit our website UpFix.com and select the Jeep Wrangler mileage correction service, and then put in the mileage that was last known. And I'll show you in a second here what it's going to look like. So here's what all the 8's on odometer looks like. It's going through the self-test. And as you can see, you have all 8's on the screen. So this is a before, and right now we're going to program to what's stored in the vehicle, what the vehicle is supposed to have, and then we'll review what it's supposed to show. Okay, so we just programmed this unit. As you'll be able to see, the mileage is now showing correctly to what it originally had right before it crashed. This would apply again under the mileage correction service, and it'll fix any issues you have with the odometer showing you all 8's, and everything else is going to be functional as it should be. We'll test all the gauges, all the lighting, make sure all that works as well, but mainly this is a mileage correction service that you'll be needing. You'll need to fill out a disclaimer, our online disclaimer, that will be either emailed to you or text message to you so that you can fill it out. And again, you'll need to put in the last known mileage right before it crashed and on the requested mileage, and we'll take care of the rest and reprogram this. Yeah, this should solve any issues with the odometer showing all 8's, and it won't happen again in the future as far as crashing. So it should be plug and play when you get it back in a vehicle, and make sure your battery is disconnected before you reconnect the cluster. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.